Hey there, I'm Lynn with Oils with Lynn. I love uplifting families with daily natural solutions for mind, heart, and body. Okay, so today we're going to talk about an oil that you might not expect to be such a powerhouse. It's cilantro essential oil. It's the same plant you sprinkle on your tacos, guacamole, but in oil form, it's next level amazing. Cilantro is steam distilled from the leaves sourced right here in the USA. And it has this fresh, awakening, cleansing vibe. So what's so special about cilantro oil? Well, it's the superhero of detox. It's antioxidant, antifungal, antibacterial, and detoxifying. Basically, it's here to help your body feel lighter and cleaner from the inside out. So here's a few ways that you can use cilantro. Heavy metal detox and free radical damage. Cilantro is famous for helping your body detox heavy metals. Just a few drops in a capsule, it's like a little internal cleanup crew. Next is allergies. Apply over your liver or on the bottoms of your feet. It helps ease seasonal allergies by supporting liver detox. Next, liver and kidney love. Speaking of detox, you can also take it in a capsule or rub it over your liver or kidney area to support those organs. So for fungal or bacterial issues, and even candida, you can use it. Internal plus topical is the combo here. A capsule plus applying it over the area of concern. And here's a really quirky one, body odor. Cilantro in a capsule actually helps neutralize odors from the inside out. Who knew? So it's wild how many things this one little bottle of oil can do. And as always, it's completely safe when you're using CPTG, certified pure therapeutic grade from doTERRA essential oils. And because I know you love having resources at your fingertips, I put together a free guide for you. It's 100 uses for essential oils. It's just filled with simple recipes and tips you can use every single day in your home. You'll find that link waiting for you in the description below. So tell me, would you try cilantro oil for detox, allergies, or even body odor? Drop a comment for me below because I want to know which ideas that you liked best. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so more families can discover the fun, everyday ways essential oils can uplift the mind, heart, and body. We'll talk to you guys next time.